Hi, boys and girls. Today we're working with long O words. Long O says O, O as in ocean. We're first going to read our words in our word box. Our first word is code. K-O-D. Code. And you can see we have our pattern of one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Then we have the word bone. B-O-N. Bone. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Third word is robe. That silent E makes that O say O. Then we have stove. St-O-V. Stove. Long vowel, silent E. Cone. K-O-N. Cone. I see our pattern, one vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Then we have the word stone. S-T-O-N. Stone. I like to put our gesture to remind me that silent E makes O say O. Then we have broke. B-R-O-K. Broke. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Doze. D-O's. Doze. And our last word is smoke. S-M-O-K. Smoke. We're going to match our words from our word box to their picture. So our first word is code. And I can see right here we have our secret message in code. K-O-D. Code. Long vowel, silent E. Code. And when I'm done, I like to cross it off in my word box to keep myself organized. Then we have the word bone. B-O-N. Bone. Please write bone in your best handwriting. B-O-N. Silent E makes that vowel say its name. Bone. Then we have robe. R-O-B. Robe. R-O-B. Robe. Long vowel, silent E. Our next word, stove. Stove. S-T-O-V. Stove. Don't forget that E on the end. It makes the O say O. One more together. The last word we're going to do together is cone. K-O-N. Cone. Long vowel, silent E. We're going to do the next four words by yourself. We have stone, broke, doze, like when you take a nap, and smoke. See where the arrow is pointing? It's pointing to the dragon's smoke. Do your best. All right, my friends, we are going to work with long O and short O. We're going to be doing a word sort. So you will need the colors red and blue. We're going to use red for our short O words, and we're going to use blue for our long O words. Short O says ah, ah, as in octopus, and long O says O, O, as in ocean. We're going to use our crayons to color our words in our word box, and then we will write with pencil. So our first word in our word box, slot. Slot. I can hear the O say ah because there's not a silent E making the O say O, so it's going to have a short O sound, ah. Our next word, I can see a silent E at the end. K-O-N. cone. So we're going to color that one blue. On our next word, I see that there's not an E. So I'm going to try it with a short O sound. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G. On our next word, I see our pattern, one vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. That means that E is making that O say O. H-O-P, hope. Long vowel. So I'm going to use blue. Our next word, I can see that there's not an E at the end. So I'm going to use a short O sound, ah. R-A-D, rod. Please color it red. Then we have mop, M-A-P, mop. With no E at the end, that vowel is going to say ah. Next line, I can see our pattern, one vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. That E makes the vowel say O, N-O-Z, nose. Then our next word, I notice there's not an E. I don't have our pattern. I just have one vowel and then one consonant. That's a closed syllable type. So it's going to be a short O that says aw, H-A-G, hog. Then we have on our next word, oh, I see an E. One vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. So that O is going to say O. P-O-L, pole. On the next word, do you see an E there? Nope. So the O will say ah. P-A-P, pop. Being a word detective, on my next word, I see our pattern, one vowel, one consonant with an E at the end, long vowel, silent E. So that silent E is making that vowel say its name O, S-L-O-P, slope. Final word, I do see our pattern, one vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. That silent E makes that vowel say its name, B-O-N, bone. Okay, now that we are done using our red and blue crayons to sort our long O and short O words, we're going to use our pencil and we are going to write them in our best handwriting. So our first word is slot, and I'm going to write it under my short O because the O is saying aw. Cross it off when I'm done to stay organized. Then I can see my next word is colored blue for long O words, and it's cone. K-O-N. I'm going to write cone in our best handwriting underneath long O because we have the silent E, making the vowel say its name. Next word, dog. I can see we colored it red with short O. D-O-G, dog. Hope, H-O-P, it's blue. And I also notice there's an E at the end, makes the vowel, make its long vowel sound. You are going to go ahead on your own and continue sorting the words that we've already colored and put them in the correct columns. Way to go, do your best.